This excellent 2007 Dodge Ram 1500 comes equipped with a responsive 5.7-liter 8-cylinder 16-valve engine, a reliable 5-speed automatic transmission, and has the control of 4-wheel drive. This 4-door crew cab pickup has comfortable gray seats, only 39,407 miles, and its electronic features include an AM/FM stereo system, a CD player and a keyless entry system. The safety features on this vehicle include an anti-lock braking system, 4 ventilated disc brakes on both driver and passenger front, multi-stage deploying airbags with occupant sensors. Call or come in today to arrange a test drive.